Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Doran. So Doran is a versatile platform designed to streamline project management and team collaboration. It offers tools for organizing tasks, setting priorities and tracking progress, making it easier for teams to work together efficiently. Users appreciate Doran for its user-friendly interface and features that help improve communication, such as shared calendars and real-time updates. It's useful for managing projects of any size, from small teams to larger organizations, by keeping tasks and deadlines in check and ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities, whether you are planning a project, coordinating with colleagues, or just trying to keep your work organized. Doran provides a centralized space to manage it all. So here in this video, we are going to learn how you can connect your Doran account with Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from your Doran account to any other application using an automation software. So here to build this connection, we are going to use a type of integration that is Webhook. So Webhook is going to act as a bridge between our Doran account and Pabbly Connect in order to receive the information from our Doran account to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. So here let's suppose that I want whenever I receive a new comment on any of my Doran idea, automatically I should receive a notification on my Slack channel. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Doran account with my Slack account, and here to build this connection, we need to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So first, to build this connection, we need to connect our Doran account with Pabbly Connect, and here in this video we are going to learn it. So here, before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action, where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with a connection by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Doran. And here I'm going to select my trigger event as comment created, so that whenever a new comment is created in any of my Doran idea, automatically Pabbly Connect should receive a response. So here I'm using my trigger event as comment created, but you can use your trigger event such as comment deleted, idea created, idea deleted, post created and post deleted. So here I'm going to select my trigger event as comment created. And here you can see I have received a Webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this Webhook URL to connect my Doran account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this Webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Doran account. So here I'm going to click over here. And from here I'm going to click on my profile icon given over here. And from here I'm going to select this workspace option. Now here in this workspace, from the left side corner, I'm going to select the option for integrations. Now here under integration, I'm going to select the integration type as Pabbly. So here I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see we have received the API key and webhooks. So here under webhooks, we are going to create a new webhook by clicking on this add a new webhook given over here. And then add new webhook dialog box will appear in front of you. So it is asking me to select the topic. So here for the topic, I'm going to select my topic as comment created, but you can select your topic as per your trigger event selected, such as idea created, post created, idea deleted, post deleted and comment deleted. So here I'm going to select my topic as comment created, and then here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have received in my Pabbly's window. So this is the webhook URL, and now here, after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on this confirm. And here you can see we have successfully created a new webhook over here with the topic comment created. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's window. And here you can see we have received a dummy response. That means this is a default response that we have received while setting up our webhook URL. So here, in order to receive a new response, we are going to click on this recapture webhook response given over here. And then here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here, to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to create a new comment on any of our Doran idea. And to do that, I'm going to open a user profile in incognito window so that I can comment on any of a Doran idea from another user profile. So now let me take you there. So here I've successfully opened a user profile in incognito window, and here you can see all the ideas which I have created in my Doran account. So now I'm going to select any of the idea, and then I'm going to create a new comment on that idea. So here I'm going to create a comment on this Pabbly Connect testing. And then here I'm going to write a comment such as webhook test comment. So now I'm going to post this comment. And here you can see we have successfully posted a new comment over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's window. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response where we have received some details such as vote count, updated as, subscribe ID, status, scrolling little down. Also, we have received the idea ID on which we have received a new comment. And here in this content field, you can see the comment which we have posted, which was webhook test comment. So with this, we have successfully set up this connection. Now once we have set up this connection, then whenever a new comment is going to be created on any of our Doran idea, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to receive a response over here. And then further you can share this response to any other application in order to receive a new notification on a new comment or to store that comment. So for that, you have to connect that application with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Doran. I hope these steps were clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.